Hello, this is Unbox with Shad and I'm here to do a quick review of Anbernic RG Cube XX. Heto na guys, we're back. Generic at simple lang yung packaging pero the product itself is amazing. Ang ganda. This handheld console has a 3.95-inch screen display powered by Linux and has a quad-core CPU. It has an expandable storage up to 256GB at talaga namang pangmatagalan pag nilalaro. Sobrang dami ng games from Game Boy to family computer to Super Nintendo, PlayStation, PSP at marami pang iba. Todo ang saya at paglipas ng oras dito. Teka, nalaro nyo na ba ang Legend of Kage? By the way, if you enjoy contents like this, please do click on like and subscribe. Kung trip mo naman ay classic adventure games, heto ang Power Rangers. At syempre, ang kinahiligan na Tekken 3. Napakaangas.
Kapit lang, kapit pa, mahigpit na mahigpit sa bawat pag-asa. Kapit lang, kapit pa.
At ang isa sa best PSP games, ang God of War Chains of Olympus. This is definitely a steal, especially if you enjoy playing retro games. So for me, itong Anbernic RG Cube XX ay talaga namang ayos!
Sa